In the dynamic world of PC building, selecting the right case is paramount for both functionality and aesthetics. From sleek designs to innovative features, each case offers a unique blend of style and performance tailored to gamers and enthusiasts alike. Let's explore a diverse array of standout PC cases, each promising to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. All mentioned products links in the description. Corsair 4000D. The Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower PC case is a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. With its sleek design and optimized airflow, this case offers both style and functionality. The tempered glass side panel provides a glimpse into your PC's inner workings, while the spacious interior accommodates high-performance components with ease. The innovative cable management system keeps your build neat and tidy, improving airflow and aesthetics. Additionally, the versatile cooling options allow for customization to suit your needs, whether you prefer air or liquid cooling. Easy-to-use features like tool-free drive installation make building and upgrading a breeze. From its premium construction to its user-friendly design, the Corsair 4000D Airflow sets a new standard for PC cases this year. NZXT H5 Flow. Step into the future of gaming with the NZXT H5 Flow compact mid-tower gaming PC case. Designed for both form and function, this sleek case offers a perfect blend of style and performance. With its compact design, it fits seamlessly into any gaming setup without sacrificing valuable space. The NZXT H5 Flow Compact features excellent airflow capabilities, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. Its thoughtful cable management system ensures a clean and organized interior, while the tempered glass side panel showcases your high-end components in all their glory. Equipped with USB 3.0 ports and support for multiple cooling configurations, this case is ready to accommodate your gaming needs. Upgrade your battle station with the NZXT H5 Flow Compact and experience gaming like never before. Cooler Masterbox Q300L. In the realm of PC cases, the Cooler Masterbox Q300L is a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking both style and performance. This case boasts a sleek design with a transparent side panel, allowing you to showcase your high-performance components in all their glory. With adjustable fan mounts and ventilated panels, it ensures optimal airflow to keep your system cool during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. The spacious interior provides ample room for easy installation and cable management, while the sturdy construction ensures durability and stability. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a professional content creator, this PC case offers the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics to elevate your build to the next level. NZXT H9 Flow. The NZXT H9 Flow is a stellar addition to any gamer's arsenal, boasting a sleek design and innovative features tailored for optimal airflow and performance. This dual-chamber mid-tower gaming case is engineered with precision to accommodate high-end components while keeping temperatures in check. With its thoughtfully designed interior layout, cable management becomes a breeze, ensuring a clutter-free build that doesn't compromise on aesthetics. The inclusion of robust cooling options, including support for multiple radiators and fans, guarantees efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. Plus, its tempered glass side panel offers a window into your rig's inner workings, allowing you to showcase your hardware with pride. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a budding PC builder, the NZXT H9 Flow promises an immersive gaming experience with style and substance. Thermaltake Versa H18. Looking for a sleek and efficient PC case for your gaming rig? Look no further than the Thermaltake Versa H18. This tempered glass beauty is not just about looks, it's designed to enhance your gaming experience. With ample room for high-end components, cable management is a breeze, keeping your build tidy and improving airflow. The sleek minimalist design adds a touch of sophistication to your setup, while the tempered glass side panel showcases your hardware in all its glory. Plus, with support for liquid cooling systems, you can push your PC to its limits without worrying about overheating. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a first-time builder, the Thermaltake Versa H18 offers the perfect blend of style and functionality to take your gaming setup to the next level. Montech X3. Step into the future of PC building with the Montech X3. Designed for both style and functionality, this sleek case boasts a tempered glass side panel, giving you a clear view of your high-performance components. With customizable RGB lighting, you can create your own unique gaming aesthetic that shines through the tinted glass. But it's not just about looks. The X3 is built for performance too. Featuring optimized airflow and ample room for cooling solutions, your system will stay cool under pressure. The spacious interior provides easy cable management and plenty of space for your hardware, making installation a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time PC enthusiast, the Montech X3 is the perfect canvas for your dream rig. Antec NX410. Elevate your gaming setup with the Antec NX410 case. Crafted for both style and performance, this case features a tempered glass side panel that showcases your hardware in all its glory. With pre-installed RGB fans and a built-in LED controller, you can easily customize the lighting to match your mood or gaming aesthetic. The spacious interior offers ample room for high-end components, with support for multiple radiators and cooling solutions to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Cable management is a breeze thanks to the strategically placed routing channels, ensuring a clean and clutter-free build. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Antec NX410 combines sleek design with advanced features to take your PC experience to the next level. Corsair 4000X. Immerse yourself in the world of gaming with the Corsair 4000X mid-tower case. Designed to marry style and performance, this case is a visual treat with its stunning tempered glass side panel that lets you showcase your build in all its glory. Equipped with Corsair's renowned RGB lighting system, you can customize the case's lighting effects to match your mood or gaming setup effortlessly. The spacious interior provides ample room for high-end components and advanced cooling solutions, ensuring that your system stays cool under pressure during intense gaming sessions. With convenient cable routing channels and tool-free installation features, building your dream PC has never been easier. Whether you're a casual gamer or a seasoned enthusiast, the Corsair 4000X is sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Asus AP21. Unveiling the Asus AP21 PC case, a revolutionary blend of style and functionality poised to redefine your computing experience. Engineered for convenience, this chassis boasts a tool-free design, simplifying installation and upgrades. The quasi-filter system ensures optimal airflow while keeping dust at bay, safeguarding your components for peak performance. With its sleek and minimalist exterior, the AP21 exudes sophistication, making it a stunning addition to any setup. Versatility is key, as it accommodates various motherboard sizes and multiple storage options, catering to diverse user needs. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a first-time builder, this case offers a seamless building process and ample room for customization. Elevate your PC build with the Asus AP21, where innovation meets elegance. Montech King 95 Pro. Step into the future of PC builds with the Montech King 95 Pro. This case is a testament to innovation, boasting a dual-chamber design that enhances airflow and optimizes cooling performance. With its striking aesthetics and tempered glass side panel, it not only showcases your hardware but also elevates the look of your setup. The pre-installed ARGB fans add a mesmerizing touch, illuminating your build with vibrant colors. Beyond its stunning appearance, the King 95 Pro offers practicality with ample space for high-end components and effortless cable management. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a content creator pushing the limits of performance, this case provides the perfect canvas for your dream rig. Experience the future of PC building with the Montech King 95 Pro, where style meets functionality seamlessly. Thanks for watching.